Hi, once again, welcome to Shotcut Guide. And if you're new to this channel, we explore new software devices and we learn more about them, the tricks and everything about them. Now, once again, in this Shotcut tutorial, I have brought you how to edit videos and how to actually remove a black background from them, and also how to add a transition in them, and also how to saturate everything and color grading and everything in this video. So you make sure that you stay with me until the end of the video and I will show you. Now the first step is that when we open Shotcut, let me first try. You come here to where we're going to add your project, but let me try to adjust the space, my working space. Let me give the name new to the project, and then I come here. I'm going to add the photos or the video I'm going to edit. You say enter and you have added your videos, and let me try to stretch it down and I see whether it goes. It has refused. So here's your source and here's your project. Now as you can see, now my videos and the photos are that color. They don't look good, they don't look nice, so we are going to add everything to it so that it can look nice. You bring all of them to the timeline as you can see right now, and so play. When you play the video, that's how it will look like that. Yeah, but it's not that good. I shot them using the phone. And the next thing we're going to do is that now we're going to edit them. We're going to make them look beautiful. There's a photo I forgot to add in, this one here, and open. Yeah, let me add it on the timeline. Add it on the timeline, and then I will need to remove this. The other one, I need to remove it. Just X can remove it from there. So the next thing I'm going to go to my filters, and I search for the word rotate. Now when you search for rotate, it brings you such a screen which is like that, and you go to this dot and then you adjust the distance, the sides. So I'm going to search for saturation. I want to saturate my videos, and also I'm going to search for color grading. So when you search for color grading, you also allow it to come in. So when you come to saturation, let us increase the saturation. You increase light level. Color grading, this is where most of the people get confused from, but let us try to saturate everything. Color grading, let us try to add color to our video so that they could look more greener. So green. So you can go on playing with this until you reach the thing you want it to be like. So as you can see, this was shot at the same time as this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy the filters of the other video I first shot, these filters, and I say copy, and okay, it's option to write the name of the paste. Then you come and choose this clip here. You will say paste. Now you have paste the saturation and everything to the other video. So let me try to adjust the saturation, because now they don't look that perfect. It doesn't look that perfect. Adjust everything about the color grading and everything. So you can go on playing with this until you make a perfect thing out of it. Color grading, saturation, and the position. Then you go back to the timeline, and when you play, yeah, you can see now we are going to go to the other ones also. Yeah, finally, that's how I wanted my video to look like. Now when you go to this one here, we need to remove the black background from it. The first thing you're going to do is that we're going to come here and add this, but instead of adding, let us just paste those ones we're having. But we don't want our things to be our photo to be bright like that, so we remove the position and size, and then we color grade everything. And you adjust the positions until your thing looks great. And after that, yeah, that's perfect. So we're going to add, you're going to search for blur pad. in blur pad, let's be wrong, blur pad and blur. You see that there are many blurs which come, but you search for blur pad, so it will automatically remove the black background and it will leave it with a blurred background. And then that means that I've removed it, I've reduced the blur, and that's it. It's perfect. So let's go back to saturation. We increase the saturation and we paste, we copy, and after copying we go to the other video, this photo, because now we shot it the same way. We can paste there the filters. One thing I love about this is that, so we're going to also add it on the audio track. Let me bring this audio track on my timeline, drive it to the timeline. So let me first reduce the size of the audio track I'm going to add, because now it starts very badly, and I put it to the timeline. So as you can see, that's the audio track I've added on. Our photos now are perfectly done. So we're going to reduce, we're going to add the transition here. Transitions, these are just clips which become in between the two clips. So I'm going to add the transition here and the transition in between every clip, so that you can also learn how to, you just have to hold it and then you drag it. When you drag, that's how a transition will be formed. Let me hold in between the clips and then you drag, and also hold here in between the other clip, and then I drag there. Let me hold and drag. That's how you add a transition in Shotcut. This one was refused, but finally I've added a transition. So let me increase the size here. It has refused. That's perfect. So let me put here, and I then cut X, Control S, and then X to remove that last bit of the audio. As you can see now, that's how it's going to play. Perfect. So I'm going to go and I try to do what? I go to my video and I show you how it looks now. So beautiful. That's how the video will look after I have finished doing what? After I have finished editing it. Perfect. So all in all, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And wow, so don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So I'm going to also add another filter called text. I'm going to add some text there on that clip. Let me go text simple, and then you remove this and then you write anything you want right there. Let me say that let's fight environmental degradation. That's the text I've added. Let me add here against environmental degradation, and against degradation, and then I change here the fronts of my word, the fronts, and I scroll down. I come here and I put the word in the middle. Then I go back to the word. I separate the distance between them. And finally, a video has come to play. Let's fight against environmental degradation. Perfect. That's how the video will look like after editing it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.